welcome back to another vlog. So today is just a stay-at-home kind of a day. When you hit March, you never know what kind of weather you're gonna get. We can have a torrential downpour, an hour later be sunny and 60, or it could drop about 30 degrees and it could be snowing. Who knows? But today it is a torrential downpour. And Archie doesn't even want to go out, so I have to force him to go out. I decided that I'm going to go ahead and take full advantage of being inside today, and again, just do some spring cleaning. So I'm really going through my office, going through my files, filing things, you know, nicely and neatly and being organized, cleaning off my desk. And so that's why I'm going to share with you, I've got stuff spread all over my island right now. And I'm just trying to make this all nice and neat because, you know, when you first walk into our front door, my last video I shared how to do your foyer, make it welcoming, make it smell nice, look nice, all those kind of things. But the other room that you walk into, opposed to looking straight ahead to the rest of our house, off to the right is my home office. And I really like it to be nice and neat and tidy because to me, that's another thing people are going to look at when they come into the house, and that really means a lot to me. So Karen's been a little bit behind in that area, so that's what we're working on today. So even though it is gross and rainy out today, I've just felt springy, so I got my spring cardigan on. Oh, this white top. I love this white top. I spent a fortune on some tops a while back from Express, buying these tops that like suck you in, but they're soft and super nice. They've got the exact same ones at Walmart. So this is my white one. It tucks you in so nicely. It's super soft. It's short sleeve. I love these. I want to get them in more colors. So I'm going to share them with you because you know me, I love layering tops, and especially ones that could tuck in your belly, which mean a lot for me, and they come down long enough, which is that's key because I'm long-waisted. And not that they're super long for anyone that's not long-waisted. But I also felt like I just want some spring perfume on today and some spring lipstick on. So I was looking at all my perfumes, and I love this one, Absolutely Blooming by Miss Dior. Love, love, love this perfume. Oh my gosh, I feel like I smell so good. I love it. Oh my gosh, I got that on today. And then I wanted to try I'm just pulling some lipsticks out. And this one is by Too Faced, and it's called, I think, Chocolate Strawberry. And it smells, I just want to eat it. It smells so good. So let me see if you guys can see the color. I have it on today. And then I put some gloss on, and this gloss is this is Kylie's gloss. It's called Daddy's Girl. And it's another great gloss. Love it. So anyway, I love it. Even though I'm going nowhere today, I don't care. I just want to feel nice, feel springy. I've been so in the mood for headbands and wearing my hair half up, half down. And I don't know, I don't know, feeling this new vibe a little bit. So, okay, let's get some work done. So this is my mess. This is how I clean and clear out my desk. Is I use my island, and I put everything here on my island. And yeah, I actually I've not put birthdays or anything yet from my old day planner to my new one. I'm so behind. Of course, my lovely, lovely plant. Of course, my lovely, lovely plant planner binder. I got some new Pura scents. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my God, I love these. Make sure you're following me on Like to Know It. Just saying, there's going to be some kind of a sale. Okay, and just some of my camera stuff. No, that's not a mouse. That is like a microphone thingy. Some of my favorite markers. I love these. These are highlighters. Love these highlighters. So yeah, all my stuff here. Love this planner. This is my little candle that I put together so I can remember next time I want to make one. And my lovely, lovely pocketbook planner from Patty. Thank you, which I love. Some recipes, some contracts, and stuff like that. So I've got to organize. So over here on my desk, just a few things. Got a candle. I'm cleaning all this up. Clean, clean, clean. So yeah, that's what's going on here today. We're getting organized and cleaning things up as I have some beautiful Peace of Mind floral background with some lovely music. I wanted to clarify one thing with all of you too about my garden planner. It is just not a planner about sowing your seeds. You know, it's everything. Expense log, your watering schedule, garden organizer. So this is everything you need as far as for your garden, what you need. So for example, let's see here. Let's go back, because I know some people thought it was just if you're going to do like your own seeding. And no, this is everything you need to know, which I think is just so fabulous. Okay, so winter tasks, here we go. So February, for instance, so I have the combination of the two. So this specific one is from the little YouTuber that I shared with you guys last week. So she has here what you should be pruning, what you should be picking, what you should be preserving. She also even went as far as saying warm up with a savory winter squash soup or make some squash chips, okay? So here's a calendar and here's a reflection. You can put, you know, what you accomplished, what you did well, blah, 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 all that kind of stuff, okay? So anyway, wealth of information between the two. And here's like April, you know, what you should be preserving, pruning, picking. So all those kind of great kind of gardening tips. So I wanted you guys to let you know, this is just everything all together that I need for my garden from A to Z. Hi there, friends. So this morning I'm sitting in my nice clean office. Hold on, Arch, come on. My little assistant likes to hang out on my lap the whole time. And I'm gonna show you here in a minute what I organized in the bedroom, one of my drawers. Oh, hold on, let me sit back so we can have room. So today I decided, I'm still working on it, but I want to do like a weekly kind of recap newsletter. So I'm trying to figure out how to get this all done and that you all could just subscribe to. And it's just going to recap my week and stuff like that. And it'll come to your inbox. I'm going to try to have it maybe come on Fridays or something like that. So I don't know. I'm working on it. So I'm having a good time with doing that. So hopefully I can figure all this out. So that's what I'm working on here today. And today it is Friday, so we're probably going to do something fun with friends tonight. And maybe I'll just bring you guys along, because I don't even know what I've talked about on this video, so maybe I'll add some fun going out footage tonight. So I know you guys like when I do that. So, but other than that, I'm just doing some work today. I got my nails done, a real pretty little light pink color. My mama is doing great. So yeah, everything's good. Always something I feel like though, always going on. Yeah, that's why I thank the Lord. We just, you know, got to know to give our worries to God, because it's just too much to try to bear sometimes certain things that are going on. But anyway, I'm just trying to keep myself focused on my business here a little bit, because I do enjoy it. Listening to this beautiful music in my background, which I love, which I showed you guys yesterday when I shared the office, when it was all completed. So it's such a pretty YouTube. I love all these YouTube channels that have music and just beautiful scenery. It just makes me so happy. So I've been on organization mode. So yes, I did my t-shirts. So I got my long sleeve here, a little color coordinated, ones that have kind of words on them, and then some short sleeve ones here. So I got this done because I love layering pieces, and I was always trying to find my certain t-shirts and which ones I liked. Easy to find. Okay, so we decided to go downtown to the bistro here. So we're gonna have a little cocktail before we go to one of our favorite places. It's called Acquapazzo, yummy Italian food. So it really is a beautiful night.
The menu. It'll say on the menu.
Hi, sweet friends. Well, I had quite the busy weekend, and Caitlin and CJ came in and we got to spend some time with them. We had so much fun. So I know I got to get this vlog edited and out to all of you. But I was looking at one of the books that I like to put out on my counter, on my cookbook stand. And it's about celebrating, well, the seasons. And this one specifically says celebrating spring. And it really just made me think for a few minutes. And we don't even need an occasion to celebrate. We just need to celebrate every day and celebrate life. And that's going to be my motto when I feel myself getting down the dumps a little bit like I did the other day. But it's, well, something about the sunshine, what it does for the soul. I can tell you that much. But anyway, I really love this book. And I'm not sure if I shared it with you at all last year. But it's just a great book about menus and ideas of celebrating throughout the season with cooking and entertaining. And I think it's so appropriate right now. So I'm going to share this with you. And then we're going to go ahead and call it a vlog. And I've got, like I said, so much in store for prepping for the spring season. Mark started putting some of our stuff out on the patio. I'm so excited. And I got my garden beds. I cannot wait to share them. They are different than the ones I shared with you. These ones are a little bit different, but sort of similar. And I think you're gonna love them. But you're gonna have to wait till my next vlog for me to share all that, because we don't have them, he built them, but they're not outside yet. And again, please, friends, we just, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. That would mean so much to me and to all my social media. The Like to Know It app, and of course my Amazon storefront, where these things that I talk about, I'm going to continually put on there as well, and anything that you need to know in the description section. But yes, so I love you all so much, and I'm going to quickly show you what I was talking about, and then I'm going to call it a vlog. So this is the book that I wanted to share with you, and it's so much to celebrate. It's entertaining, the ones that you love the whole year through. And it's just a beautiful book. So let me show you, like this page, and it starts with the seasons. Obviously it starts with spring. And right here is, it just says, with the arrival of spring's first sun-kissed days begs to be celebrated. But I feel every day should be celebrated. But it just gives you so many different ideas on different get-togethers that you can plan with friends and family. Also, ones that you can plan with your children, which I think is just so cute. This Easter egg hunt sounds like so much fun. And it just gives you the ideas on how to decorate and different things to do. So I thought this would be such a fun book to share with all of you that like to do stuff like me, that have grandbabies and have children and want to be able to celebrate all the special moments, but have something help you a little bit as far as how to decorate or set up the tablescape, or, for recipes. So I wanted to share that. And then also my recent Southern Living magazine here had a really nice section here on some Easter recipes, brunch recipes, which I love brunch, but obviously you can use them any time of the year. But I just love how beautiful and vibrant this magazine is, with the pictures of the quiche and salads and all this stuff and ideas for brunch. And again, these are things, obviously, friends, that you can make any time of the year, but I wanted to share that with you just in case, because this has always been one of my absolute favorite magazines, is Southern Living. So that was what I wanted to share with you today. So that's going to be a wrap, friends. I hope that you all have a wonderful couple of days. And I can't wait to dig into my next video as we prep for the spring season. I love you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.